Look at the accessory. This is the accessory for this central control screen. Look at its textures. It's very premium. Look at this. This is the trim panel. Look at this. Textures so premium. Very delicate. And look at this. This is our air conditioner control. Check out this button. They operate smoothly, and all the texture is premium. It gives you a very luxury feel. And look at the rear side. Wow, the textures. Have a look. So delicate. All is customized by our company. The Ford F150 2015 to 2019 equipped with an 13.1-inch display at 1920 x 1200 resolution, powered by an octa-core UIS 7870 processor, paired with a GBRN plus 256 GB built-in storage. This is the front side of the central control screen. This is the rear side of the central control screen. Swipe down the screen and you can see the drawdown menu here. And you can adjust the brightness here and the value here. Also, the night mode for you, and the screensaver is very beautiful. Tap this icon and you can see the depth store layout. And here, you can change the layout into the thing you want here and back. And now you can see the show video here. Tap this icon into the air conditioner control. Here you can adjust the Celsius for your air conditioner. Let's see the CarPlay. After connect your phone, you can see so many apps here, such as phone and the music map for you and the message. And also you can trim the setting here, the wallpaper into the color you like, set. And let's see, you can adjust the song here to the left song and the private song. And this is the menu. You can search for the destination you want to go. Now let's look at the YouTube here. You can see the video and short video for you. Now let's see the Play Store here. Here there are so many different comes all games for you to download, and the app here. And you can also search for the app you want here. And download the boot you want. So many different comes all internet boot for you. And here is for the kid. Let's see the map here. Here you can search for the destination. Let's have a look. It's very convenient for you. There's so many different or selection for you. How to drive the car to change the position? Easily. Long press the car and then you can change the position freely as you like. How to change the content of the car easily? Here at the app, tap it, and we can change into the app you want. Let's look at the vehicle setting. Here, you can adjust the ambient lighting, zip set, MP flyer. Tap the menu and we can see there are so many app here. This is the internet app and link app, local app. And let's have a look at the setting. The first one is the wireless, where here you can connect your Wi-Fi and then you can use the internet for your car. The second is the GPS info and the Bluetooth. General here, there are so many different control functions for you. And the factory with the password 336A. Inside you can see so many different control functions for you. And the wire setting and protocol setting and display. Here you can adjust the bright light brightness of the day and the night. And also two things for you. You can choose one you like. And the sound, here is the sound mixing scale. You can adjust it, app, storage. Here you can see how many free storage you still have, location, password system. You can change the language. If you want to French, just find the French and then tap the region and test one more time. The language will change successfully. Let's see the equalizer. Here you can adjust the DTFs and also equalizer. So many different count of standard for you. This is the feel. And for the mode for you, surround, stereo sound enhancement, reverberation, bass enhancement, sound filtering. How to change the wallpaper? Long press the wallpaper and can choose what you like and set. And the wallpaper had already changed. How to change the car model easily? Long press the car model and then choose one you like and tap this icon. Let's see the video player. Here you can watch the video and also tap this icon into the small window modes for you. Let's see the music player. Here you can listen to the music to the nap song and the private song, browse music. Let's see the Bluetooth here, Bluetooth phone. And the record and phone book, device, BT set. Let's look at the Bluetooth music. Here you can adjust the music, listen to your phone music. Let's see the radio here. You can adjust the radio and listen to the online postcard.